भी पता होगा हालांकि कि व्हाट इज द मेमोरी, और ये भी पता होगा कि मेमोरी में एलोकेशंस किस तरीके से होता है. We all know the data are contiguous allocated in the memory. Various types of technique available to store the data, like as you can store in the stack format, or you can store the queue format or in heap format. तो वो सारी कहानी आप लोगों को पहले से भी पता है, डेटा स्ट्रक्चर में भी पढ़ा होगा, डायनेमिक एलोकेशंस, स्टैटिक एलोकेशंस, ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम में भी पढ़ा होगा, डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड सिस्टम पढ़ रहे हो तो उसमें भी पढ़ा होगा हाउ डेटा कैन बी स्टोर इन द मेमोरी. डेटा मीन्स एनीथिंग, कोई भी, चाहे आपके पास ऑडियो फॉर्मेट में हो, वीडियो फॉर्मेट में हो या रिटन फॉर्मेट में हो, एनी टाइप्स ऑफ raw material or any types of things is known as a data or collections of data. So जब हम मेमोरी वर्चुअलाइजेशन की बात करते हैं या फिर ऐसे कॉन्सेप्ट जहां पे मेमोरी को वर्चुअलाइज करते हैं, देन वीएम कर्नल मैनेज ऑल मशीन मेमोरी. वीएम कर्नल, वर्चुअल मशीन कर्नल, मैनेज ऑल मशीन मेमोरी. ठीक है. So basic key point or basic things is a VM kernel which manage all machine memory. और जो हमारा VM कर्नल होता है, दैट क्रिएट अ कंटिग्यूअस एड्रेस मेमोरी स्पेस. VM कर्नल क्रिएट अ कंटिग्यूअस एड्रेस मेमोरी स्पेस फॉर रनिंग अ वर्चुअल मशीन. वर्चुअल मशीन को रन करने के लिए VM कर्नल एक कंटिग्यूअस एड्रेसेबल मेमोरी स्पेस क्रिएट करता है. And this memory space has the same property as the virtual memory address space presented to applications by the guest operating system. Means there are no any change in the property of memory. अब मेमोरी की कौन कौन सी प्रॉपर्टी होती है, ये आप लोगों को आई थिंक पहले से भी, मेमोरी तो बहुत पहले पढ़ा है, उसके बारे में पता है. सो अगर आफ्टर वर्चुअलाइजेशन हम गेस्ट ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम बना रहे हैं और आफ्टर वर्चुअलाइजेशन में गेस्ट ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम का एक मेमोरी वर्चुअलाइज कर रहा हूं या वर्चुअल मेमोरी क्रिएट कर रहा हूं, देन देयर इज नो एनी चेंज इन द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ virtual memory which we are created by guest operating system. And this memory space enable VM kernel to run multiple virtual machines simultaneously while protecting the memory of each virtual machine from being accessed by another virtual machine. Suppose a virtual memory is created and we want to run more than 3 or 4 virtual machines. Suppose we want to run 3 virtual machines, then one virtual memory is created for virtual machine 1, second virtual memory is created for virtual machine 2, and third virtual memory is created for virtual machine 3. And VM kernel is responsible to multiple VM simultaneously. is जो VM kernel है, that will be responsible for running virtual machine, more than one virtual machine at the same time or simultaneously, and also protect the memory of each virtual machine that being accessed by the another virtual machines. And basically there are 3 layers of memory present. First one is a guest operating system virtual memory. Second one is a guest operating system physical memory. And third one is a ESXi host machine memory. Type 2 virtualizations. So in the case of guest operating system virtual memory, it is presented to applications by the guest operating system. And in second one, that is guest operating system physical memory. In this, guest operating system presented to the virtual machine by virtual machine kernel. And third one is a ESXi host machine memory that will provide a contiguous addressable memory space for use by the virtual machine. So first one is a guest operating system virtual machine. Second one is a guest operating system physical memory. And third one is a ESXi host machine memory. अगर मैं इसका एक आर्किटेक्चर क्रिएट करूं, suppose this one is our environment of virtual machine. And we want to perform the concept of virtual memory, then we know that there are three layers in the memory of virtualization or in virtualization's memory. So these are the three layers. First one is a guest operating system virtual memory, guest operating system virtual memory. Second one is guest operating system physical memory. Guest operating system physical memory. This is VM means virtual machine, यहाँ पे virtual memory कर लेते हैं. Virtual memory. So first one is a guest operating system virtual memory. Second one is a guest operating system physical memory. So the applications are at the site of guest operating system virtual memory. Applications are at the site of guest operating system virtual memory. And the operating system is at the site of guest operating system physical memory. So we make, suppose that applications are at the site of guest operating system. These one are applications, and operating system are at the site of guest operating system virtual machines. And third one is a VMware or ESXi host physical machine. So we take another third layer. That one is a ESXi host physical memory. ESXi host physical memory. And this one, ESXi host physical memory, or ESXi host physical memory, we can get from VMware or vSphere or ESXi host. So at this site we have a either VMware, vSphere, or ESXi host. So this one is the guest operating system first layer, second layer is a guest operating system physical memory, and third layer is a ESXi host physical memory. So presented to the applications by the guest operating system, this one is applications. So guest operating system virtual machine presented to applications by the guest operating system. Second one is a guest operating system physical memory presented to the virtual machine by VM kernel. And third one is a ESXi host physical machine provide a contiguous addressable memory space for the use of virtual machine. So these are the three layers. For easily understand, हम यहाँ पे लिख सकते हैं कि layer 1, this one is a layer 2, and this one is a layer 3. Layer 3. And in this case, presented to applications by the guest operating system. And in the second layer, presented to the virtual machine, presented to the virtual machine by VM kernel or virtual machine kernel. And in the third layer, provides a contiguous addressable, provide a contiguous addressable provide a contiguous addressable memory space for the use of virtual machine. For the use of virtual machine. These are the working conditions of the three layer guest operating system virtual machine, guest operating system physical memory, and third one is a ESXi host physical memory. So this one is the concept of virtual memory or memory virtualizations. Now in this figure, there are two level memory mapping procedure. Like as a, suppose this one is a virtual memory, physical memory, and machine memory. ठीक है, virtual memory, physical memory, and machine memory. And this one is nothing but guest operating system virtual machine. Then physical memory is a guest operating system virtual memory for guest operating system physical memory. And third one is a machine memory is a ESXi host machine memory or ESXi host physical memory. तो फिजिकल मेमोरी आपका वही होगा जो वर्चुअलाइजेशंस के पहले और वर्चुअलाइजेशंस प्रोसेस में भी जो हमारा आपका होस्ट मशीन का हार्डवेयर होस्ट मशीन होगा दैट विल बी नोन एज अ मशीन मेमोरी और फिजिकल मेमोरी ऑफ होस्ट. सो अगर इस फिगर की बात करते हैं, सो इन दिस फिगर this one is the virtual memory a virtual machine 1, this one is the virtual machine 2, and we have a process 1 process 2, this one is a process 1 process 2. अब आप लोगों ने पेजिंग में पेजिंग एंड सेगमेंटेशन जो आपका ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम का टॉपिक था, तो उस पेजिंग और सेगमेंटेशन के कॉन्सेप्ट को जरा रिकॉल करिए और रिकॉल करने के बाद इस कहानी को देखिए. सो इन दिस केस यहाँ पे ये लिखा गया कि मेमोरी वर्चुअलाइजेशन से सिमिलर टू द वर्चुअल मेमोरी support provided by modern operating system. And in traditional execution environment, the operating system maintain mapping of virtual memory. The operating system maintain mapping of virtual memory to machine memory using page table. This one. In the traditional execution environment, the operating system maintain mapping of virtual memory to machine memory. Means virtual memory what guest operating system का memory and machine memory is host operating system या host machine का memory. So virtual memory is a guest memory and machine memory is a host memory. And these the mapping of this process can be done by the help of page table. And page table is one stage mapping from virtual memory to machine memory, which is one stage mapping from virtual memory to machine memory. And all modern 32-bit CPU include a memory management unit. ये भी आप लोगों ने ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम में पढ़ा हुआ है, MMU. सो जो आज की डेट में हमारे पास ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम आ रहे हैं या मशीनें आ रही हैं, that will be included a memory management unit and translations look aside buffer that is known as a TLB. So two things. First one is the MMU, that is a memory management unit, and second one is the TLB, that one is a translation look aside buffer. So current operating system or current machine include two things. First one is the MMU, second one is the TLB to optimize virtual memory performance. And in virtual executions environment, virtual memory virtualizations involve sharing the physical system memory in RAM and dynamically allocating it to the physical memory of the virtual machine. This means two-stage mapping process should be maintained by the guest operating system. Guest operating system and virtual machine monitor. Two-stage mapping process should be maintained by the guest operating system and virtual machine monitor, and that one is respectively virtual memory to physical memory and physical memory to machine memory. Virtual memory to physical memory and physical memory to machine memory. And again, MMU, this means memory management unit. Virtualization should be supported, which is transparent to the guest operating system. Means there is no any hidden thing with guest operating system. The guest operating system continue to control the mapping of virtual addresses to the physical memory addresses of virtual machine. but the guest operating system cannot directly access the actual machine memory, and the machine virtual machine monitor is responsible for mapping the guest physical memory to the actual machine memory. So this one is the whole scenario जो अभी तक कहानी यहाँ पे बोला गया कि there are two stage mapping done by maintained by the operating system and virtual machine monitor. First, that will be virtual memory to physical memory and physical memory to machine memory. So virtual memory to physical memory and physical memory to machine memory. So this one, virtual memory to physical memory. So these process one, process two available in the virtual memory, and this one is available in the physical memory. So first one is that virtual memory to physical memory. So virtual memory to physical memory, again physical memory to the machine memory. This is the process. How a process can be executed in the virtualizations environment. So firstly, virtual memory to physical memory, and second phase is a physical memory to machine memory. Clear है? Now, this one, virtual memory, physical memory and machine memory. So virtual memory में हमारे क्या होता है? Applications, physical memory में operating system. So if applications want to execute applications, or we can say that if a process want to execute, then it first contact with the operating system. So a process or applications of guest operating system or virtual memory want to execute, then it firstly contact with the operating system, which are also known as a guest operating system physical memory or physical memory. And after that, physical memory contact with the host physical memory, or we can say that machine memory. And all this process, because this one is our original machine and this one is our virtual machine. Original machine का हमारे सारे memory is known as a machine memory, and this one is the virtual after virtualizations. So after virtualizations, virtual memory, and after virtualizations, what is the physical memory? तो ये पूरी कहानी थी, एंड द सेम थिंग, यही जो हमारा प्रोसेस इसी को आगे एक्सप्लेन किया गया है. सो आप लोग इसको पढ़ लीजिएगा, और पढ़ के अगर कोई दिक्कत है देन यू कैन आस्क.